Shout out to RC Studio for making this video possible. Alright, so how you charge it is get this off. Alright, so the battery department on the controller is also the charger of the car. And you might be wondering, well, I don't want to have to leave this open and let the batteries fall out while I'm charging it, because then it won't charge. Well, they have that fixed. You put it in that, and then put it down. And you're ready to go. And this is really not actually that hard. I'm just one-handed today, so I'm having to do everything one-handed, like this. So, when the car's dead, you have to take the battery off. Well, not the battery, but, you know. You have to take the body off. And this right here, you just... I'm probably going to have to do this. Okay, never mind. Alright, anyway. Boom. It's charging. And how you know it's charging is that light, the green light, is on. And when it goes off, when the green light is off, that means it's charged. And it really does not take that long to charge, which is also a plus. So then you can, then you can start playing again. Just be on the lookout for these because they are super small and you'll be able to lose them. So yeah, you'll be able to lose those very easily. Overall, it's pretty good. It is hobby grade. Just unscrew all that and you can replace it with parts and stuff. There's the motor. It's 2-wheel drive. It's pretty good, and it's actually pretty fast too. Especially for something how small this is, it's pretty fast. And it's very good.